Let's take a 3-minute tour of System Center Advisor. To get started, navigate to systemcenteradvisor.com and log in using your Live ID. Once you log in, you are presented with a list of organizations, departments, and companies you're affiliated with. Let's take a look at Contoso. Once you choose an account, you will see a great-looking overview page that presents you the information you need to assess the health of your environment. You have quick access to a roll-up of all the alerts and configuration changes in your environment, the most recent 5 alerts, and you can see if any of your servers are having difficulty sending data to the Advisor service. Let's take a look at the Alerts tile. Notice how there are 2 servers with warnings and 1 server with critical alerts. You can also see the alerts broken down by server area. Looks like there are a lot of alerts for SQL Server. Let's click on it and get to more detailed information. Notice how we are now on the Alerts pane, and that the view here is filtered on warning alerts associated with SQL Server. Each alert in Advisor identifies a potential problem with your server's configuration. When you click on an alert, you'll see a short description to help you quickly understand the underlying problem and detailed contextual data captured from your environment to help you decide if this alert is important to you without having to open up any other tool. Let's take a look at another alert. It appears the SQL Server service account has a missing SPN. Not having dealt with this problem before, I would normally search the web and browse countless articles until I found something that seemed reliable and easy enough for me to take action. But with System Center Advisor, you don't have to do that anymore. Each alert is associated to one knowledge base article that is specifically crafted to walk you through how to solve the problem. Notice how this article has step-by-step instructions for handling missing, misplaced, and duplicate SPNs. The alert context in Advisor showed that there was a missing SPN, so let's take a look at that. To fix this, it looks like we need the SPN and the account. Both of these are provided by Advisor. Looks like we can resolve this issue without browsing countless solutions online and without opening up any other tool to run additional diagnostics. Should you have difficulty implementing a fix or are unclear on what to do next, you can click on this link to get help from a Microsoft support professional who will be able to use the Advisor data that's already collected to reduce the amount of time it takes to handle your support request. Given that Advisor is a tool that runs proactively in your server environment, it will collect configuration data even when there aren't problems so that it can establish a baseline and help you identify why a problem occurred in the first place. For example, you can view the configuration changes associated with an alert by right-clicking on an alert and choosing to View Configuration. You'll be navigated to the Configuration Change History tab, where you can see configuration changes on that server over time. The SPN alert specifically dealt with the service account, so let's type account into the search box and see how that's changed over time. You can easily see the account had changed from a network service account to a domain account, and this domain account had the missing SPN. Thanks for taking the time to watch this 3-minute overview. If you're interested in using System Center Advisor, you can create an account and set up the necessary on-premise components in under 5 minutes. Just go to www.systemcenteradvisor.com and follow the instructions to get started.